Hey YouTube, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Canon G3270. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, the instructions I'm going to give you in this manual are actually going to be referred to from the owner's manual for this printer from Canon. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure you power off the printer before you do this process. Once you power off the printer, you can then turn the printer around and access the back of the printer. This access panel on the back bottom portion of the printer can be removed simply by removing one screw. It's the larger screw that's kind of in the middle of the printer. And what you can do is just remove that screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. That panel will then be free to be removed, and then you can get that out of the way, and then you have access to the actual maintenance cartridge. It's as easy as pulling it out. There's really nothing else that needs to be loosened or taken away for you to be able to do this. Once your old maintenance box has been removed, you really want to get it thrown in the trash because it is going to be full of ink. Now, I am going to be leaving a link down in the description below for a maintenance box compatible with this printer. But once you have your new maintenance box, you're going to take it, slide it right in, make sure all the components are facing the right direction when you're putting it in. You can then put the panel back on and screw it back in. Now, the next part is that you need to reset the maintenance counter on the printer. I'm going to be showing you here on the screen those instructions. You basically just need to go into the settings and go to the point where you can access the info for the maintenance box, and you're going to reset those numbers with the instructions on the screen. This is directly from Canon's instruction manual for this printer. So this is going to extend the longevity of your printer, and you really want to make sure you're on top of this every 3 to 6 months. Don't wait for the warning to come on the screen. If you do it proactively, it really will save you in the long run. But that's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.